So these mini toolboxes are great for small tools or items that you need. Right now they come in blue, red, and black, but Harbor Freight is actually contemplating some new pastel colors for you, those of you that really like that pink and light blue. And they're even asking for people to give them ideas for the next color. So these drawers are pretty neat. They slide in pretty neat, and then if you see in the back, there's a magnet on each one of the drawers so they stay closed. The inside dimensions of these boxes are pretty important to a lot of people. The top is 10 and 11/16 by 5 3/4, and 1/2 inch deep. With the box closed, it is approximately 1 inch closed in space. So when you close it up, this spot right here on the inside is actually 1/2 inch. So when you close it up, you have in the middle 1 inch worth of space. The bottom drawer, let's see what I have here. Let's see. All right, let's start with the small drawer. So the small drawer is 4 14/16 in length, 8 1/2 inches wide, and 1 3/16 inch deep. The bottom drawer is 8 1/2 inches wide, 4 4/16 inch long, and 2 3/16 inch deep. So you also have to add 1/16 depth if you remove the pad. It's a sturdy box. I would say that you could put 1/4 inch drive set in it, small screwdrivers, any consumables that you might have. And as you can see, the bottom one has also got the magnet in the back. So when you take the pad out, that'll give you an extra 1/16 of an inch in depth if you need it. But if not, you just want to protect your tools or whatever you're putting in, that's fine. I've also heard people say that they would give these as gifts, and I don't see why that wouldn't be a good idea. As a matter of fact, I intend on doing that too. That's why I have so many of them on the desk. Right now they're on sale at Harbor Freight for $12.99. Nobody's paid me for this. I just like the box so much that I want to share them with other people. So enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you've seen here today. I'll bring you some more content like this, and much different content is on the way because I intend on making this channel things that I like, and I'd really like to share them with you. Thank you. Let's just go ahead and show you those measurements straight off. This is just a few of the uses that this little box can be used for. So I have this on a shelf in my room. Batteries in the second drawer with chargers. Third drawer. Plenty of room for anything else I want to put in there. Works nicely. Close it up tight.